menka. Ya catch me na mentie. Ya catch me na mentie. Why are they? Oh, be some say why are they? I rather Mrs. Ophelia catch me. Or say wo betu mi wo Kumasi. Won't see madam for be crab me fear da. Or say wo betu mi wo Kumasi. Won't see madam for be Ella. I trusted you. I mean him say me ku am ne ti die nka wo betu me the say cry di me. Hey! Ella, adie na why ni Nyankopon betia wo papa. Adie na why no? Nyankopon betia wo papa. Hey, my old boy, don't have any. Oh, be some said, Jenna on an ear. Wouldn't me cool to have say? Eh, be some said, Jenna. Here, Roger.
How you sing? How you sing? How you want to know you sing the job? How it wasn't a one of pal. I wasn't like it's how and you bear our young clone about to death. On your welcome, what's what I want to occupy a bit much, ah? Anya bampono awusa abeto de amatono no awona wo say bibi enyim da wo achiza eye besa be hajim eba ye no enyim de awu ebetima acha anya oyonko a eye besa ba wa disgrace wo awu hajim enjim ya akaba abatuku ene boazam po yonko te ho e bia an Adai!
Shut up! I fed ye. And so tap what you know what you want. When him there when you might say when him, who come and manage you, and I'm in a water. But if we had in some friends, say, me come over did the matter. Over did the matter. Now, what you train now be who? What I said now make a on the train now be who?
Yeah. That's a American. Quite. Oh, Erasmus was one yam. Azam, Aza am, hey, Kawanitu, I feel now gonna ask for them to know Rabona Nanam. I feel now gone, Warber shop. Warber there at the time. I can add the poop, The Mr. Chelsea, Manenco, I son. Onana be jawaran na akọ me no ma plan there so what you say about mo twan so na be kasa etam enne so wo sat ma kasa etam onka pack ennama no onko ayese ya na me no afa na ye betna enyim bibi sika na wo say gu bank ni nyina no ha bezi mo ma jijim sika na ma boa no mo te ba gu bank
ebo senyame antia ne kapa de be kasa na wo be ma me ne wote me ye bibia ma de wo pe bia me o sa me sacrifice se me wo bio se me ni bio me ye ma o market ye nie akatia wo de tia me kanie ebo akatia wo de tia me kanie me ho me kra nya me betia wo ka me no mu nso ebo nya me betia wo ka me se dware na me dware ebo nya me betia wo ka bone be na ma ye o me consider market any one ebo market ya penny when you bia for na me madam fo ebo me sinya me betia oka me ho me kwa me betia oka
e dey na wo ba wo kasa dey asem
wan me ha wo
ha wana ne ko ba
right ade ebo aye me pa won
ebo na biu
ade a wo de aye me
ade
na wo na nebo be obibi a we wo mana ha wo
wo betia di pa se me madam fo me chocho mutu am ne ti area mu ha se yo obi aka kire me se ebo ne na etwempena kwa de nipa ko ne kakra no me didi na tem se wo boa me kun de wonti me nyesa me nam ha se ba bia makọ hu se ebo ne madam fo ne na ti wono ma o mu di do ko kan se ebo didi me matem e didi me ma erade
kasa no odi se on fanya wo na wo pe e no de obewe ade be na wo ne ho a sabio wo na wo sa mani sika wo na wo hwe no ti de obeka bia na wo ye nim de wo ebo no wo hu no ho wo nia ma sabio mu free of no baakum aba e kwa ba be ka cho se de ebo ye wo no je ebo achi die o ka se de wo nia mema ne nko se so mo enkwase asem na wo nia mema na ba be ka wo di obo we achi be ma ni tata
na wo dia ye me no and the atsem ni so me pani biam me fani nya hwe biam me pase me hu ma bra ko biam
and chat trying to say, no, you're the chance say ye. As so, we are no akodi nachi. Ya ko kabi mawa.
Me dobi bia, me dobi bia say me ni ebo, me ni ntina biem. Ana de obi ayem ya na dem de mani ahu no. Me ni ntina biem kra Nyankopon tia me ka. Say me ni ebo tina biem Nyankopon tia me ka.
Obeka say nyina so be wa ko no odi nachi. Ye wa hu me go no de for guest no de ye wo. So for boys so no de ye wo so bia. Nyima de kwa wa hu no bo be manyifu we. I sorry I would dinner chi.
What mean that me sister and sister be a musende ye body I am me bia the better at na ni so.
Sawochi. Akabia wo bia.
Ah, you no kan am ne kan no. Me ne kan tie be so wo bia wa. Me ne kan we be twa bia so ai.
Kwa so a.
Be ma me ne wo se. Me titum yes.
Wona mo na wo kasa kasa wo bia dai. Wa ma afa utirim. Afa utirim. O ma bi wo ho no mo a me ka kire sebi ye nya na yetifie ye de efie na mo renti o bi ekokusu de nya ye de ye beka ja gene boy na chidie
mate ofa
wo benya be ma sebi o wo ye kama wo pe wo de no be ya ma o
na wo ebo
Emma yo
eno ko kasa ko
Emma wo ti wa baba wa kama sei boy no ade odi aye no ano odi because anya dropa na bi ona bo ti wey eni mo nyama uni bi awon fe uni bi sika uni bi
me ya so ogun fantefo ani ma so adwin no de na mo nyam fantini
onye fantini o
fanti kasa ben na ono wonimu a ono bi sana o tibika
na no say
me say me family ne bi fantefo me Fred na Elmina
fantini
oh Enima,
how did you know, Sapa?
It's not no, you feel be a machine. Because you couldn't sue your one. When you're fanting, and I when you're getting would dig again.
Oh, take again,
Papa.
Hi.
Again, I offend you.
You forbid the share, sir.
Again, was say, not tell you, your mamma. No, about catch yourself when you call. Would that Jana there be me penal, and I'm here say.
And no one hear me. I want to home.
She cannot use or dear the blame.
What the blame man? Who Jimmy say? Who did some food say?
We see now you can't see a dear child. Yeah, definitely.
Yo,
you lie. You lie now.
Me pa na gay. You said you see brand home. And this is come a bear me ya. Masa, I'm a cotono. There be not there for. But at the party, you boy a managina.
Who you want us out to? I didn't home for bar. I don't know for bar.
A friend answer ya.
Stana, Sisi, I'm a person who say why you serious about me. I just want to know the baby or home or better da or ni girlfriend or the ends na or no what's na Kakrebi Pelbe who say na issue. I started at the issues Bania the intimate person who say you are serious officer or settle with me. I just want to know, are you serious?
Afia, you of all people shouldn't be saying this, what I say. Because when in baby a shall say it free. And I bushian some more men some now man your mind.
Oh, but that was then.
Listen to me.
Now you sustain.
I am a pro. If you say, Champagne Prince on your coupon dimmed you. Nam say, Obama, who him or woman, I have to come back to her. If you empono matisa, what worry you? But empono, as some man tea, you know, and any mammy no way. Ye be say, bear money at the air till. If you're a mad now, oh, you're a good year. You are my egg of life. If you want to show any man whom I want fair. So what I say, until why will I just come into your life, say, make an unnecessary thing behind the actual many people say, oh no, I wouldn't just do that. I'm in for you. If you, I promise you, say, no matter what it is, no, I just want to be with you. Say, Nyankopon sira was rame. Why? Me namna a phone seat on my empty. Me supu me yem say me dofu wen efia wen. Efia me mba chambe di un tron cancer me hunye de hunye. Me dofu me sraw. Wo de brama kwam and I promise you say open makoma bibia no I'll make sure say me chemu mienu because wo na mama ya and me stand na you. Me na ma major fans ni na efia na ye pillar no. Wo na ye pillar no. Into your papa, Jimmy Semudi. I promise you,
So the reason why I'm make a sabe brain is say unim my situation that Bema men in the wohono. Fine, what to say how many and then see as a me coffee for man. Me pebe mo babe hama bravo.
Yeah. I come in by and say, oh, the fine and be who is oh, you should nice be. Bema papa be all yana kwako. I swear, sir, come in. Makuma bed ever to me. That's not to extent, sir.
Okay.
Who be as your
Okay.
No. If you listen.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, Mama, can you maybe? Oh, yeah, Mama, can you maybe?
Ah. Okay. Matthias said. He said me no be kwa.
It is what it is. This is what I'm talking about, man. Man. Shit.
Matthias said.
If you know, there is a call for celebration. And for another call.
Okay. Maybe say uncle
more. More, we go further on more.
I just want to.
No, nothing. If you me uncle trips is here. I don't care about your costumes. You're the uncle 2 days prep. I don't care about your costumes. Trust me, yeah? No. Let's go.
Mr. Nine, why are you stalking me?
But what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Does it concern you?
So you have the guts to ask me this silly question.
Okay,
huh?
Why are you here? Didn't know.
Who besides the DNT?
Yes, because I never know an auntie. So why are you here?
Abena, you are pushing me to the wall. Be very careful.
Of what? You started it. When I shot here.
You're after me.
After me. Let me be very submissive to you.
Obeshe
me show you what you are. And you just na de mame. It is my babu auntie and now wants her to carry the mechi. Who does that? Why are you talking me?
Yes!
To come out to release stress.
Yes! Stress.
Me betina hanom na me nya coke ba ko na me tina hanom na me sepia na my okay then I come to the house.
You are pushing me to the wall.
Yeah, today
Don't
is to
let
do.
me do what
today is to do. I'm tired of you. The officer you be here. I'm
sure?
ever ready to face any race from you. Yes. I'm ever ready. I'm ever ready for you.
I never knew you could be such ungrateful like this.
Who is ungrateful?
You are for.
When I'm natural, I'm natural. I'm 100%.
Are you sure?
Oh, worry me, let me sir. I've tolerated you all this while. You know, I've been popping our family. Do you think buy me cars? Do you think buy me land? Do you think so the market sneffy na? I am a
because my nan you know who is suit that said. Wo betimi de me to say na.
Now shots here. Because me na me penny sir.
Na me shots here na me pie and I said efie na I am.
You were going for business, trade, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And here is my happiness. Me took her happy na me ba. Here is my happiness. It's my culture says when you're ready to act like a husband. Me no bear this back and forth thing. And mommy can't say control. Do you wouldn't tell me to me a friend 991 also? Sorry, one nana. I don't even know police for you. One my confused because you are stalking me.
We confused because it's so person we channel. In fact,
you paved the way for me to disrespect you.
Oh, I see.
Yes. You paved the way.
Me jame dwuma ho na send ya wo kan da bia me mebutu so yes I na wo ba kire.
See who is talking. Unja wadwuma ba wo se wadwuma ho di machi. E be tete me. Oh really? So you have the time. Me akasa na wo sen come to me ho for say wo mpe me because be ma wa worry de ne me tu kwan ne ne reti wo de wo be fa wa odo jiji na ni keke. Eni je ni so me nya Say me to me, I'm not growing no more younger. I need a baby. You are not ready to give me a baby. So they hear say I'll come out, sip alcohol, come to the house and sleep. Because man sip alcohol to get pill. I see. I want to be under influence. No,
I see. One way I church we my idea, papa.
Nobody is teaching me anything.
Can who say? A bass a woo. It will never end in tears. Mark my word, it will never end in tears. I mean, how someone show? Are you daring me? I'm daring you. Yes, I'm daring you. Medeo, I'm daring you. You better be there. If you clap, I'll clap back. I'm daring you. Wow. You amaze me. It's time for me to voice out. You amaze me. And you're my rare. It's time for me to voice out to you. Listen to good counsel. If you don't stop going round flirting, you will live to regret. Really? I bet you. I'll be living to regret. Tomorrow never comes. Me, you know, I'm a and whatever you say now, a negative thing, no. I am a self-made man. Okay. You are dependent on me. Oh. And so if the root is cut off. You see the reason why I'm a person your branches will wither. Look at you say. Just be careful how you are trying to deal with me. You'll be miserable at the end of it all.